Hey guys, so I got a quick review for you guys. This is a power strip. It's advocating to be a travel size because of its just size and compactness, and I have to agree with that. But first, let's just go ahead and take a look at what it comes straight out of the box. So it comes with quite a few mounting options. It has 3M stickies, and it is able to actually be mounted on the wall. As you see on the bottom, there's an indentation where you can add in a wall mount. But even if you want to just lay it on the floor or on your desk or something like that, it does have a nice rubber ring around the bottom, so it provides good grip on smooth surfaces. For the outlets and plugs, you can see that it has 2 USB ports and it has 3 regular power outlets with a grounding port available. And the cable itself has a nice cable management system via Velcro. I would say the length of the cable is roughly around 3 feet, so it's definitely adequate for most needs. It's definitely adequate for my needs. I think if you're plugging it in, if you're like an airport, a waiting area, or just at a hotel or something like that, it's definitely plenty long for you to plug it in the wall and then also reach your desk as well. When plugged in, what I really like about the plug design is that it doesn't take up too much space, so it doesn't cover up an adjacent plug. And you can see I have a couple things plugged in right now. I'm testing out the USB port as well as a little lamp. And when it is outputting power, you see there's a tiny white LED indicator in the middle there. And it has no problems charging multiple devices at the same time, as you can see here. Normally what I like to do is actually use this as a little power strip for my desk, just because it's lightweight, it's a small footprint, as opposed to some of my bigger power strips, so that's really nice. Then if I were to take this on the go, it's pretty easy to just go ahead and scrunch up the wire and take care of it with the wire management system, throw it in my bag, and I'm all set. So I think this product definitely has a lot of uses. If you're interested in this product, again, I'll put the link in the description for you guys to check out for yourself. It definitely doesn't break the bank. I think I got it around $20. As usual, the current availability and pricing is in that product link, which I'll put in the description. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. But that's it for this review. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.